I will just paste what I just got from there. Now, if you look at the data that was transcribed, right, it has this field here, column A. Can you see column A? The identifier
Yes,
field.
sir.
Yeah, so you
Yes,
can use
sir.
it as a, you can use it as a lookup of sorts, right? So
Okay. You did mention a tool. Okay.
nothing like a tool here. So what you can do is you can use it and transcribe data and just say, actually just say copy everything here, and then just say, I'll just show you an example anyway, and then you can do this. So let's say, look at this. Let's say I'm trying to merge this information with the data from the repository, right?
Yes, sir.
It's, all I would do is just say, because what I want to do is maybe I want to pull from the data from the repository, I want to pull the date stamp, right? So I'll come here and I'll just say the date stamp is the ingestion date, right? I'll just say ingestion date.
Yes.
Then I will say something else I want to pull here is the, no, I mean, creator, maybe whatever you, I don't know why you'd want that, but maybe just creator and, right, creator ingestion date. All you do is use VLOOKUP, right? VLOOKUP, and then you say, I want to look up this field. I'm going to look up this field from this worksheet here. Now just Google up VLOOKUP or look up VLOOKUP. I'm sure you've heard of it. And then from here, you're going to say, I want to pull column number 2, right? 1, 2, yeah? So I'll just say, I want 2. And then I'll say false here. Yeah, so you notice that for this particular, now there's a whole bunch of things that you need to do here, but I guess I'll have to lock this also. Let's lock it. What you notice is that, it across. What you notice here is that what I'm putting here, these are the ingestion dates associated with this record, right? So this record has this ingestion date. You can do the same thing for create. All you have to do is come here and you count 1, 2,
yes, sir.
5. Then you just say, I just copy this, I suppose, I don't know. Just call this 5 or something. But anyway, just Google up VLOOKUP and then you'll be able to gain access to this information. But so this is the thing. I mean, if you've merged the data, that's all. You'd have this information now. Using this column and that column, you can do your analysis. Sorry.
Okay.
This column and this column. But of course, you need to format this date so that it's perhaps similar to this, or this is similar to this, yeah? You remember our discussion? Because the things that were being transcribed were just years, right? They were actually years. So we want to just make sure that and I guess this is a date field or something, I don't know. Anyway, so merging, just use VLOOKUP and it's not that hard. You can even copy this formula that I've left here. Is that fine?
Yes, it is.